everybody, welcome back. I've got something new and exciting. Well, it's new. I don't know if it's exciting exactly. I'd say it is because it's new and different, and if you love cards, then new and different is usually a good thing. Leather and Lumber baseball, made by Panini. Leather and Lumber, that name has been used before, I think. Leather and Lumber, maybe in the 90s. It wouldn't have been in the 80s for sure. Or maybe it was just, I think it might have just been used as the name of an insert in the 90s. I think maybe, I'm trying to remember back, maybe it's been used on a game used card, of course, but before that, I think maybe it was a textured card insert. Probably numbered, which back then it probably would have been numbered really high, probably out of 8,000 or maybe even 10,000. If anybody knows, comment below and let me know, where has Leather and Lumber been used before now. So anyways, you see I've got two boxes. I'll push this one away for now and get into this one. There are 10 cards per pack, 4 packs per box, so just 40 cards in the entire thing. And 10% of those are autograph and mem cards. You can see Otani and Judge. These come in individual little box, so you'll probably see some of the single boxes popping up on eBay and elsewhere. Look for rookie cards with signatures on baseball material, leather and wood. Yes, that sounds glorious. I'll show you that in a minute after I cut off the plastic. Look for hobby exclusive die cut base cards and die cut inserts. So that sounds really exciting. Let's get into this. Let's don't wait another second. Well, let's wait long enough to see the eyes on the back. And long enough for me to get my trash can. Alright. So we're looking at 151 card set. That's weird. Including 51 rookie baseball signatures numbered to 149, 50 base gloves, 50 base bats. And there, I don't know if you can read that. Looks like there are plenty of parallels. Die cut gold, blue, hollow silver, black, numbered from 99 down to 1. Then, as I said, the die cuts, signature parallels, black, blue, pink, light blue, gold, green, red, blue. Wow, okay. So there's a lot going on here, as I kind of expected there would be. So let's get this little baby set up and look at these cards. Yay. I had been alerted that I actually would not receive this until tomorrow, and then got another alert saying it was coming today. So I was pretty happy about that. So, okay, I see how it's going to be now. There's 4 boxes, so I guess, yeah, 1 auto and mem per each one of these. So if anybody wants to break the cost down and just buy one of these and take a chance, that might be a more cost-effective way than buying the entire box. Just something to think about. Alright, let's do this. Let's see. I was afraid of that. Oh, wow, there's something going on in there. Do you see? Oh, baby. Wow, there's lots of die-cut stuffs. Holy smokes. This is going to be fun. No two ways about it. Wow, okay. I think we'll just start on the top and just roll with it. Whatever happens, happens. There's something crazy thick in there, though, in the middle. Look at that. Holy balls. Syndergaard. I guess this is the base card. Wow, does that look good. Die cut, textured. Probably 55 point stock, maybe. That is, let me put it up against the white. Wow, that looks good. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, Austin Meadows. So this is the glove, and then obviously this is the bat. I think I like the bats better. The bat looks sweet. Glove, Francisco Mejia. A bat, Salvador Perez. This super thick card is Alex Bregman, leather and lumber. And it's just 2 jerseys. I don't know why this is so thick. Look at that. Wow, that's got to be like 180. It's going to probably take like a 180 point holder just for 2 little swatches. It's a good looking card though. It's really bright. It's got a little bit of a tiny piece of foil missing right there, but holy crap, it looks good. It's numbered out of 349. Wow, that's nice. Colby Allard, lumber signatures, numbered out of 99, signed on a piece of bat. Rookie lumber signatures blue, 99. Then we have War, Frank Robinson. War, what does War stand for? First rookie to top 300 bases, turned a hot opening act into a decade-long run of dominance in the ball club. By the time he departed the River City, the big slugger left behind was then highest career WAR, WAR 63.9 in franchise annals. WAR. What does WAR stand for? I should know this, shouldn't I? Anyway, again, this is textured. This is like really sweet. Lumberjacks, Abreu, crazy nice die cut. Not numbered. Very nice. Tough as hell to grade though. Yadier Molina, leather and lumber. That is so sweet. I know I keep saying that, but it really, I love these die cuts. Some people are going to find this a little bit much, a little bit of overkill, but man, this looks good. I can't believe it, but I think Panini's going to go 2 for 2 in good products. And last is Power Alley, Lorenzo Cain. Again, they're recycling insert names, but I don't care that much. Wow. So this is what you can, pretty much expect if you buy just one of these little boxes. So that's a lot to process. That's really cool. All right. But we're not going to stop at one, of course. We're opening this whole thing. See if we got any. Yep, there's another crazy thick card hanging out in there. Although, won't get too excited, as you saw from the first one, that it could just be another plain Jane jersey piece. Alright, got Mike Trout. Good start. Javier Baez, glove. Castellanos, bat die cut. A James Paxton, gold proof. This is not die cut, obviously. It's embossed though. You can see the pattern. So, gold proof, not numbered, which is funny for a parallel. Oh, nice. Tony Gwynn. Dual relic to 249 this time. I love Tony Gwynn. Great player, great guy. So that's nice. Another one of those crazy thick cards. Michael Taylor, Leather and Lumber Hitter Ink to 25. So that is an auto with a sweet little patch going on in there with some hollow full lettering. Yeah, this is more of an event than a product. This is crazy. This is really nice. Alright. Naturals Juan Soto. Another texture card. I think they all are. That's not numbered, by the way. I remember an insert just like this. Yeah, and it was called Not Whole Gang. Suarez. Yeah, they're definitely recycling some insert names, but again, for somebody like me who collected hardcore in the 90s, that's cool. Benchmarks Otani, 2018 Rookie of the Year. And then a Benchmarks parallel of Mookie Betts, numbered out of 10. So that looks to be maybe the gold version. 5 out of 10. These cards are insane. Wow. I started to pass on this product too because it was kind of getting up there in the range I don't really like to pay, but then I read how many hits you were going to get and how many cards total, and I decided to go ahead and take a chance. I'm glad I did, because this is not something I would want to miss on being able to open myself. Alright, so there's no super stick card in this pack. Oh, I probably shouldn't say this. I'll probably jinx myself. But considering how many hits are in these boxes, I'm wondering how many people are going to wind up with points, Panini points. I would love to say that they didn't put any in this product, but I'm guaranteeing they did. Alright, next up we have Whit Merrifield bet, James Paxton, glove, Aguilar, bat, Manny Machado, glove. Alright, Patrick Wisdom, so this is a rookie, triple relic, leather and lumber. Not numbered. It has blue foil up here, but it's not numbered, so it's not a parallel. Then we have, oh sweet, I love Kyle Tucker. One of the rookie signatures, lumber signatures, numbered to 149. Nice, very nice. Alright. Naturals, Robinson Cano, Power Alley, Gil Hodges, War, Babe Ruth, and Benchmarks, Yogi Berra. Nice, got some old timers in this pack. Alright, one more little box to go. So nothing too crazy as far as the hits go, but they're solid enough. They're not too junky. Tony Gwynn, I think, is the biggest name. The Mookie Betts parallels at 10 is pretty sweet, but obviously that's not a hit. Let's see what this pack has though. I'm sure there's probably some incredible stuff that's going to come out of this product. If you're watching breaks of this, you're probably going to see some stuff that's just insane. Alright. Severino. Marte. Yachty. Is that? I wonder if there's parallels of this. Well, there is this. Here's, ooh, Aaron Judge Gold Proof. God, that looks so good. It's crazy. Ahmed Rosario Triple Relic to $2.99. Bat and jersey with a little swatch. And our last hit is another rookie signature. De Los Santos. Oh my goodness. Numbered out of 25. Look at that. Gold signature on black ball. Oh, gold stitching. Numbered out of 25. That is craziness, you guys. That is so sweet. Holy moly. Wow. Alright. Naturals. Ricky Henderson. An Ozzy Albies not whole game. Another Mookie Bet benchmarks, but this is just the base version. And rounding it out with a Joey Gallo Lumberjacks. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit awestruck. This was really something to out of everything I've opened over the last 2 years, I don't think I've opened anything that was as much fun as this. If you gauge fun being based on hits, of course people do, and nostalgia, this takes the cake for me. I mean, these 90s type inserts, they're on good stock, lots of color, lots of numbers, lots of parallels, lots of just goodies. It is just loaded with goodies. That's the best way I know to say it. That is wow. I cannot wait to open that other box, which, speaking of, I will have that for you guys tomorrow night. I want to stop this here and shut my mouth and get this up so you guys can watch it, because this is crazy stuff. Again, there was no massive hit, but still, when you open this, even though it costs, you feel like you got your money's worth, and that's rare to say nowadays. Very rare. So that's my opinion. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Let me know. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you still think it's overpriced even after what you've seen? I'm really curious to hear your opinion. So, alright. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.